Hi friends, welcome to GCC Electrical Engineering channel. Have you seen this small ceiling speaker installed as part of fire alarm system in UAE projects? This is the Edwards EST S186 ceiling mounted loudspeaker. It is not just normal public address speaker. In this video, let's understand why it is used for emergency voice evacuation and what you need to check for UAE civil defense and DCD compliance. The Edwards EST S1 is a typical ceiling mounted loudspeaker designed for emergency voice over application. It is suitable for both 100 volt and 70 volt line systems. We can make selectable power taps like 6 watt, 3 watt, 1.5 and 0.75 watts from the 100 watt line. And the size is like approximately 125 millimeter dia, and this is like 150 millimeter ceiling cutout we require for the concealed ceiling installation in the false ceiling. In UAE projects, particularly high-rise residential, commercial and other buildings where an emergency voice evacuation system is required, these speakers are connected to the fire alarm voice evacuation system. So during a fire condition, the system can provide an alert tone followed by an emergency voice message like evacuate the building, something like that. The important point is that emergency message must take priority over normal public address or background audio. This will be programmed in the panel. As per Dubai Civil Defense guidance specifically addresses emergency voice over systems and requires them to comply with the applicable UAE fire and life safety requirements. So, what should an electrical engineer or consultant check during the site inspection? Number one, verify the approved material and the exact model, like in this case, Edwards EST S186. Number two, check for the manufacturer certification and EN54 Section 24 compliance. Number 3, verify the correct wattage tap and speaker loading against the approved design. Number 4, check the speaker location and spacing around the approved fire alarm drawings and acoustic design. Number 5, ensure the speaker is properly supported and installed according to the manufacturer instruction. And finally, during testing and machining, please verify that the emergency voice message is clearly audible and intelligible throughout the required areas. That means if someone standing in the corridor of a public area, like a front of house area, the emergency message like evacuate the building or any other phrases for the same, it should be clearly audible at any point of the corridor, and it should be intelligible. Intelligible means it should be legible. That means the word should be crystal clear. Okay. Remember, having a EN54 speaker alone does not automatically mean the complete installation is DCD approved. The complete system, including the fire alarm control panel, voice evacuation controller, amplifiers, speakers, cabling, zoning, power supply, monitoring, and fire alarm cause and effect, must comply with the approved project design and civil defense requirements. If you work in UAE MEP construction, fire alarm or UAV systems, please consider subscribing to GCC Electrical Engineering channel. I'll be covering more real site fire alarm components, electrical systems, low voltage systems, and a little bit of DCD, DIVA related items, also some mechanical items, whichever comes into my capacity, I will share and explain to you. See you in the next video. Thank you.